Hello, good evening everyone. As I reported on the blog earlier today, I was going to be setting up and doing some software testing this evening. Well, obviously since I don't have the mechanical portion of the build completed, I still need an overhead light bar. So my son and I actually set up this light bar over the top of the photo transistors below. And Connor here is going to actually be helping me. Hey Connor, how you doing? Say hi.
Good.
And he's going to help me simulate cars going over this track for you all. Of course, these is the magnetic reed switch we're going to use to connect the start gate. It's going to go through the lane computer. And this is the Grand Prix race management software that all of this is connected to. It will help manage the different racers. Now, one thing you'll notice right now is we only have 3 different racers on deck, and that there are actually 5 open slots on the track. So one of the features that this device has is the ability to mask lanes. So what we'll do is go ahead and click Ready the Timer here, and what you'll notice on the screen is it'll actually go and mask each of those lanes. You can see there it's masking each of the lanes that it won't be used, and now it's ready to race. Okay, Connor, are you ready to simulate cars crossing lanes 2, 3, and 4? Okay, so let me go ahead and pull the track, and the race has started. Now, as he finishes the race, and here we go. We can actually see that the race is completed. Wow, we have one car that finished in a fraction of a second. So obviously, that's not realistic, but it simulates that we're getting good data into the system. And what's really fun about this is it actually will, if you put the track distance on here from where you're recording the start and where you're recording the finish, it'll actually give you a mile-per-hour calculation. So it's really cool. And also on the LCD of the device, you can see it shows you who won, what lane position that winner was, and what their track time was. So this device is actually able to operate completely independent of the computer. What's great is that all you got to do is close the start gate, and now it's ready to race again. So let's go ahead and simulate the start gate being open, and we come over here and tell it to rerun the heat. Now once we rerun that heat, we can see we can come over to the timer here, and whoop, wait a minute, there's an error. So it's actually able to tell that the start gate's not open. We can go ahead and close it, and now it's ready to race again. So we're waiting for the software, and Connor's going to go ahead and cross all the lanes again. And here we go. We can see each of the lane times. So we've run through and tested this multiple times now, and we had to make a few changes to the serial port code. The application was sending commands in not exactly the same format as I was expecting, but pretty much it's actually working as written. Look forward to being able to test out some of this on Saturday, as we have our first test and car build day on Saturday, which is actually 2 weeks before the actual race. I'll also have some additional posts this weekend where we're going to show the remainder of the mechanical portion of the build. Thanks again, and be talking to you again soon.